We're good, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, hello, my name is Sue, and today I'm going to talk to you about microbiota and fermented food. So, I want you to imagine yourself exiting TD Gardens after an exciting concert, and you and hundreds of other people are exiting the stadium and flooding the streets, all rushing to get home. So, now I want you to take this to a microscopic level and think about the 100 trillion different microorganisms surrounding your body inside and out. And all these microorganisms need nutrition, and they get it from what we eat and drink. And so many of you have probably tried fermented foods such as kefir yogurt, kimchi, miso, or sauerkraut. And according to Dr. Jeffrey Bloomberg, a professor at Tufts University School of Nutritional Science and Policy, states, it's becoming increasingly clear that the fermentation process changes the health-promoting characteristics of food. When fermented food that contain probiotic bacteria work together with our gut bacteria, it helps us fight the pathogenic bacteria that causes illness and disease. Today, I'm going to discuss the function and development of the microbiota, what happens when there is an imbalance between disease-causing bacteria and disease-promoting bacteria, and how the fermented food helps us fight illness and disease. So to start off, I'm going to explain to you what the microbiota is and its functions. In the body, there are over 100 trillion microorganisms. And for today, I'm going to focus on the diverse population of gut bacteria in our guts, called the gut microbiota. And the gut microbiota is developed by our individual genetics, environment, geographic location, and lifestyle and dietary habits. In the gut microbiota, there are pathogenic and symbiotic bacteria that cause disease and prevent disease. According to Dr. Bao Hong Wang, a researcher at the University of Hangzhou, describes the function of the microbiota to absorb and break undigested nutrients in the gut and small intestines. It also trains the immune system to resist pathogenic bacteria and to maintain regular digestive functions. Now that we have gone over the development and the function of microbiota, we can look at what happens when there is an imbalance between pathogenic and symbiotic bacteria. Pathogenic and symbiotic bacteria coexist normally in a healthy individual, but an imbalance occurs when the pathogenic bacteria outgrows the symbiotic bacteria. And this causes a weakening in the immune system and the body to become more susceptible to illness and disease. This process is called dysbiosis. And according to Dr. Yu Ji Wang, a researcher at the Guangdong University, explains that when you take amoxicillin, a broad-spectrum antibiotic, it has a broad effect, meaning that it kills pathogenic and symbiotic bacteria. And unfortunately, in some individuals, these pathogenic bacteria, also sometimes known as Clostridium difficile or C. diff, can grow exponentially without anything stopping it, and it can cause severe diarrhea and life-threatening inflammation in the colon. Dysbiosis causes illness, but now we can look at how fermented food can help us rebalance our gut microbiota. According to Dr. Zhang, fermented dairy foods can inhibit or slow down the growth of C. diff by decreasing its pH to become more acidic in the colon. Another example is by Dr. Xinhua Nabi and colleagues, showed that rabbits who had risk of heart disease who ate fermented cheese whey had a decrease in LDL, or otherwise known as bad cholesterol, which is linked to heart disease. Probiotic bacteria can be found in fermented food, but with our gut microbiota can help us fight the illness. With over 100 trillion microorganisms depending on you, what are you going to feed them? Thank you. Okay, and then show everyone and your face.